Hello, welcome to my hair cutting journey. Today I'm going to be cutting long, curly, very fine, stringy hair. I've been growing my hair for, I don't know how many years. A while. It's a while. It's curly, and when I stretch it out, it goes to here. When your split end splits its end and the end splits again, and then you have 20 splits somewhere along one hair, it's time for a haircut, a very drastic one. So come follow me on this journey where I'm gonna cut my hair. Sit there as still as possible. This is how curly I can get my hair. Very soft until about right here. This part needs to go. So that's what's happening today. This part is going to go bye-bye. So basically you're gonna be watching a cut and another cut. Hi and welcome to cutting off the 2 strands on my head. Hi, welcome to bathrooms with windows. Not sure if that's gonna be the new neighbor's living room or bedroom or kitchen, but there it is. All right, Mom, here's the moment you've been waiting for all your life. I'm finally going to be cutting my hair shorter. Not sure how short yet, but we'll see. We will see how far this goes. Before the cutting begins, I just need to do one last thing. All right, hair. This is the last time we're going to see each other. Not that there's really that much to be seen of you, but farewell. It has not been that great. I was really hoping I could show you the torment that is my hair when I'm outside with wind, but there's no wind today. It's the light gust. Not enough. There we go. Look at that. Do you see that? There it's not. And there it is. Not there. There. Get ready for the tiniest braids. Should I even keep going? Is there a point to this? Is there a point? There might not be a point to this. I should have just rubber banded it off without braiding. But it's so poofy, I'd rather just braid it. Here's the sad reality of my hair. How much hair is there? I'm gonna measure from the crown, which is roughly here. It's probably not the right way to measure hair, but that's okay. I'm just gonna get a rough estimate. An estimate, okay? It is 26 inches. I guess this is where I rubber band the hair so it doesn't go everywhere. If for some crazy reason during this video you thought that maybe I could donate some of my hair, you can see that I really can't. There's just not enough. So I decided that I want to remove about 10 inches of it because it goes from very thin to like a strand. It's like a strand of hair. The good news is I am going to be using hair cutting scissors, so it's not completely unprofessional over here. All right, take it in because this is the last you're gonna see of all this hair, all of this. It already looks better. That looks so much better. I honestly thought it would just go through in one snip, but I'm actually like cutting through it. Round 2. It's kind of a shame that it ends after this. This is very enjoyable. I wish I had beautiful brows. What? I'm the nose hair lady. Don't be judging me. I'm just a hairy person. It's a little itchy sometimes. So if you're really unhappy with your cut, just grab yourself another rubber band and just rubber band it back into place. You just gotta do this for the next like 4 years. Well, let's see what I look like. Oh, I did a terrible job. The massacre is over. I'm done. This is good enough for me. I'm gonna leave some length so that the person that fixes this has something to work with. My hair is in shock from like years of not cutting it. I bet it'll even look like I have hair and I put in a ponytail. Can I actually have a ponytail that's visible? It's visible to the naked eye? Let's find out. Ta-da! Look at that. It's better. I think it's better. All right, so it's mission complete. Split ends are gone. Bye!